Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you this small fixer-upper I just purchased. This home is really small, 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom, only 1,000 square feet. But it's challenging because I really want to make the floor plan more functional and I have to make every square foot count. I'm going to show you a lot of the challenges I faced while designing this slip. We're going to get started on this project right away, and we'll tour this home again once the renovation is all done. So make sure you subscribe to the channel to get the update. If this is your first time tuning in, welcome to the channel. My name is Elisa and I'm a real estate investor and developer in the San Francisco Bay Area. I've been flipping houses for 5 years and I've done over 40 projects. On this channel, I share before and after videos and home remodeling tips and tricks. Subscribe to the channel if you're interested. Before we start on this home tour, I want to let you know that on Sunday, July 10th, we're going to have a super special episode here on the channel. I'm going to unveil something that I've been working on for almost a year. If you've been following my journey, you probably know that I really try to help others get started in real estate investing and achieve financial freedom. And what I'm going to announce next time is really part of this effort. And I'm super excited about it. So make sure you mark your calendar July 10th at noon, and I'll see you back here on this channel. Let's start from the exterior. This front yard is covered with dead grass and ground squirrel holes, so we are going to have to redo the landscaping here. On the building structure, there's a lot of repairs to do as well. For example, this downspout is completely rusted out and the garage door is wrecked. We're also going to need to give the building a fresh coat of paint to make it more appealing. Now let me show you the interior of this home. This living room is spacious and all the windows throughout the house are already double pane, which save us some costs. The floors are laminate and they look very cheap. We're going to replace them with newer vinyl floors that are of natural wood color, and it will make the home feel a lot more modern. And there's this weird nook here. Originally, I was going to replace the shelves to make it look better, but then I realized that this is actually where the house connects to the garage. Even though the garage is attached to the home, there is no access from the house into the garage right now. So we're going to remove this closet and add a door here so the next owner can just access the garage easily, and it's also going to make the garage a little bigger. The fireplace here can be easily refreshed with a fresh coat of paint, but this mantle looks very out of place and we're going to replace it. We're also going to give this interior a fresh coat of paint and get rid of this lilac color accent wall. This wall heater is very dated and undesirable. Originally, I wanted to replace it with the central heater, but because this home has a low-pitch roof and there's no attic space for the central heater unit, and we are unfortunately stuck with the wall heater. Before I show you more of the challenges I have on this home remodel, smash the like button below and subscribe to the channel to see more interesting content like this. This kitchen gives me the biggest headache because it's so tiny. There are very few cabinets and very limited counter space right now. And on top of that, we have a laundry machine here that's taking extra space. Originally, I thought about relocating the laundry into the garage. Because we're adding an access to the garage, it's not that bad of an idea to put laundry in there. But because the home is on slab foundation, it's going to be very expensive to relocate plumbing. So that's not an option anymore. We're going to have to figure out a space for this laundry machine and hopefully it's not going to be in this kitchen. And on this side, we have a big box. In this corner, we only have a very shallow cabinet right now. It's not very functional and it looks super weird. So we're going to try to remove this box so we can put regular size cabinets here. Currently, there are only enough space for the appliances along this wall. And an idea I have is to relocate the fridge from this side to the other side. So it will allow us to fit a few more cabinets under this window. And that will make the kitchen a little bigger than it is now. This is the only bathroom in this home. At the entrance, there's a small closet here, and this corner is not very well utilized. An idea is to relocate the laundry to this area so it can give the space back to the kitchen. The bathroom is very dated. We are going to have to replace all of these fixtures, remove this shower door, reglaze the tiles and the tub, and also replace the square-shaped floor tiles. This is one of the 3 bedrooms in the home. It's very small. We're going to remove the popcorn ceilings, the dated carpet, and also repaint the walls. The second bedroom has pretty much the same scope of work with the first, and on top of that, we're going to need to replace this closet door with a more modern closet door. There's no real master bedroom in this home, but this is the bigger bedroom of the 3. Throughout the house, we're able to retain the interior doors, which will save us some cost. In this bedroom, on top of the scope of work we already discussed for the other bedrooms, we're going to replace this window with a slider to allow for easy access to the backyard. The backyard of this home is huge, but a lot of it is uphill and it's not really usable. But I like that it's very private and there's no neighbor on the backside. So currently this backyard landscaping is not very functional. This patio space is of a weird shape and it's small. There's also no real access from the house to the backyard. So my plan is to change this window in the back room into a slider so that people can just walk out from the home into the backyard. And we're also going to remove a lot of dirt from this higher level so that we can put a much bigger patio here on this side and also along on the other side. After we do all these changes, the backyard is going to be a lot more functional and the next owner can actually enjoy it. After showing you most of my scope of work, let's quickly walk through the home and talk about the numbers. This is the smallest single-family home I've ever purchased and my first time flipping a home with only 1 bathroom without being able to add a bathroom to it. I'm bummed that there is really no way to create a master bedroom and further add value to the home, but many homes in the area have only 1 bathroom. Given the size of the home, I was able to purchase it for around $1 million. The rehab will be quick and easy and the budget is about $100,000. The ARV is between 1.3 to 1.4 million. With the interest rate hikes and potential shift in the market, I like to plan for multiple exit strategies on flips. Because this one is of a relative low investment, it can be easily turned into a rental if the market takes a downturn. It's reassuring that the rental income would be able to cover the hard money interest. That's why I like deals like that right now. Thank you so much for joining me on this Fixer Upper tour. Don't forget to tune in on July 10th at noon Pacific time for my big announcement. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.